blend tutorial because someone requested this like a while ago and I never did it. Well, this is how my hair looks right now. And yes, I'm wearing clothes. So first, I'm gonna take this spray bottle and I'm gonna start spraying like up here and just all around my head. So let me do that. Okay, I sprayed a little bit now, and now I'm gonna take this brush and start brushing it up.
Todd, can you play that again?
Judas gotta be
Did hair in my face. Okay, you can leave your hair like this, you know, but I'm not gonna leave it like that. So now I'm gonna take some gel and I'm gonna take this brush and dip it in the gel and I'm gonna put it all over my hair.
Turn up them, bruh.
I'm gonna take this hair tie off and tie it again because it came like with a whole bunch of bumps and it's not cute. So okay, so now it's decent or whatever. So now I'm gonna do my edges. Like a big bitch, 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 like a big bitch. Still bad, big bitch, big bitch, still bad, like a big bitch. Put that pussy on me, like a big bitch. Still bad, like a big bitch. Like a big bitch, like a big bitch, like a big bitch. Every time I do my edges, I always have to restart. Like, it takes me a while because I like them to look good. So this is gonna take me a while. Like a big bitch. Still bad. Like a big bitch. Still bad. Like a big bitch. Like a big bitch. Like a big bitch. finished my edges, and now what I do is I take okay, I don't own a scarf, so don't judge me. So I'm just gonna take like a t-shirt and wrap my head where my edges are so they could lay. So let me do that. So now I'm gonna just let my edges lay, and then I'm gonna come back and do this whole bun thing. So okay, so my edges were laying for like 30 minutes or something. It's been a while. I've just been watching YouTube videos and stuff. But now, okay, my face looks all oily and stuff. Okay, whatever. Because I didn't bake my face. But that's not the point. So now I'm gonna take a hair tie, and I'm just gonna do this. Wrap it like this, and then like this. And then I'm gonna like, I don't know how to explain it. Just do that. And then I'm gonna take bobby pins and like fix the bun up a little bit to how I want it. Okay, so I'm done now, and this is how it looks. I know my edges kind of messed up, but that's alright. But this is how the bun turned out. Anyways, y'all should comment what video I should post next, and like this video if you like it, and subscribe. Anyways, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.